We are less than 3 days away from a potentially crippling national railroad strike.
And almost like the outer bands of a hurricane, we are already feeling the effects before the storm gets here. Seth Kaplan joins us with that. Seth.
Yeah, Valerie and Alicia, you said the key word there, potential for the strike anyway, the strike itself rather anyway, but some effects are now certain. Look at this, a notice from Norfolk Southern that at 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, it will stop accepting intermodal shipments. Those are connections, for example, between trucks and trains. Norfolk Southern is the biggest railroad in Harrisburg, and Harrisburg is one of the 10 biggest intermodal ports in all of America. A couple 100,000 or about 100,000, I should say, railroad workers could go on strike just after midnight Friday morning. But that's far from a sure thing. So why the changes already?
So already railroads are saying, okay, look, we're not going to ship, hazardous material, for example. We don't want that stranded out in the middle of nowhere, on some track somewhere.
And the American Association of Railroads says a strike could cost America $2 billion a day. Unions say railroads are extraordinarily profitable companies that can't afford to meet worker demands. And now the two sides could agree to a deal before Friday, or Congress and President Biden could step in to prevent a strike if they don't. Either way, Alicia, already with all the other inflation and supply chain challenges, even just this uncertainty alone is not what the American economy needs right now.
Wow, Seth. All right, thanks for the heads up on that.